happened to you? All my giraffes are normal. Well, now, introducing the retarded giraffe. Has cross-eyes to fit your everyday needs, and its mouth is hanging open like it wants to eat you, but that's okay. It'll hold anything from candles, koozies, and maybe wine bottles. This is a $5 value, yours for only $19.99. Call now and you'll get this extensive offer with that pillow. Its golden brown technology makes it so that this little girl kissing a fish. And here is a little girl kissing a fish. Kiss the camera. If you call now, that is the only time you will get that pillow. But wait, you're too late, so you don't get that pillow. You only get